Siri is going to get a major overhaul along with addition of various AI agents and maybe even be a marketplace for those in Apple's App Store. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to a new report by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, these changes are coming in iOS 27, which should get its first developer beta in June. In an earlier report, Gurman said Siri is getting new AI smarts as a standalone app, just like ChatGPT from OpenAI, Gemini from Google, and Claude from Anthropic. Now, Gurman says Siri will get a feature called extensions that'll let users install third-party AI chatbots and run them inside Siri. Apple already did something similar with OpenAI's ChatGPT, but extensions will be different. It'll allow for a wider choice of AI agents you can select from and will get its own App Store section, turning it into an AI stop for all sorts. Not just that, Siri itself will get smarter too, thanks to Google's Gemini tech and Apple's own AI efforts. Apple might be doing all this to offer just enough AI muscle and functionality to keep people from switching to Android for better AI experience, and then offer additional features via third-party AI integrations, generating revenue through the App Store's 30% commission. This is all just whispers for now. The real deal will be sealed at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, which kicks off on June 8th. It's the day likely when Apple will officially unveil many of the features we're just guessing for now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.